This is Engineer Mazhar Abbas, and today we will learn how we can create EPS or a project classification in Primavera P6 software. This is viewers the dashboard, the main screen of the Primavera P6, and you are watching. There is nothing anything because still we didn't create any EPS or any project. Before going to create EPS in Primavera P6, let us discuss what actually EPS is. Viewers, EPS, the enterprise project structure, in short form called EPS, represent the hierarchical structure of all projects in the database. The EPS can be subdivided into as many levels or nodes as needed to represent work at your organization. Mean for the project, it must be a database which is known as EPS or classification. Or EPS has many levels, maybe one EPS, and under this EPS we can create another EPS. The EPS can be subdivided into as many levels or nodes as needed to parallel work at your organization. So yes, this is the definition of EPS. Now let us back to our software. This is the software, and yes, you have to go to enterprises. If you look at the top bar, there is enterprises. When you click on enterprises, there is a project option of project, and then enterprise project structure. You cannot create project first in Primavera. You have to create EPS, enterprises project structure, in Primavera. After that you can create multiple projects or single projects. So first of all we will click on this, and you can see a short screen is appear on the screen. Now we have to add, because we have to create, so we will click on add. After adding, the Primavera has created a EPS by its default, but we have, it's our option, we use this EPS or we create by our own names. So let us, we have a project, so I will uh, create ID A1, and I will name it mm, Oman. Let us Oman 1. So after that, click on it, and you have created EPS. Now you can create another EPS in this EPS, because as earlier I told you that there are many levels. There can be many levels of EPS. So if you create another EPS in this EPS, just create add, and you can see here the new EPS that I created is under A1 that I created earlier. So if you want to remain the new EPS under the previous, you can, or if you can make it a separate, just click and go here. When you shift press the shift button, this will be separated from other, and now this is a separate EPS. So now this is a separate EPS. So viewers, this is the process of making EPS. In our next video we will create project for this EPS. Thank you.